Thank you, Loy. Salam alaikum, everyone. I think people are very insensitive in South Africa. In Vicksburg, people like Andries Tatani were protesting against no delivery of running water. What did the police do? They decided to disperse the crowd with water cannons. You got no water? Check! Psst. How are you going to do that? People are unhappy they don't have water. You sweep them out of the way with water. We're insensitive. White people are insensitive to the plight of black people. White South Africans have so much, yet they complain like they have nothing. I mean, black South Africans still don't have basic services. People getting killed by police over basic services. Actually getting shot. And still no one listens to them. White South Africans hear Malema say the word shoot. They get a high court hearing, constitutional discussions, the ANC has a non-existent election campaign. I mean, we're insensitive. I mean, Malema is insensitive for singing Shoot the Boer. He says, don't take me literally. Don't take me literally. Then he comes to court surrounded by an army. Dude, what's up with the assault rifles? Are you a politician or a cash-in-transit van? But Malema said he didn't sing Shoot the Boer. He said Dubuli Bunu, which in Zulu means shoot the boer. But he's not referring to the actual farmer. Boer or Ibunu is a reference to the old apartheid regime. Old MacDonald mustn't worry here. In fact, after that, he actually tried to say we should kiss the boer. And they weren't impressed. Not even Nathaniel.
Ach nee man. Coming from you, Julius, now sis. Maybe if sis with Lomo or Trevor Noah said that, but not from you. The only thing I like about you is your haircut.
But Afrikaners are still clearly offended by the song. I mean, when Bono was here for his concerts, he just mentioned that he thought that you couldn't ban a song like Shoot the Boer because of its struggle history. Steve Hofmeyer got so upset, he threw away 5,000 rand worth of concert tickets into a river. He looked at Bono like he was Brutus. Bono, you too. He looked like he wanted his next treffer to be a remix of Dubuli Bunu. Call it Dubuli Bono. Look, I believe that Malema shouldn't sing the song out of sensitivity. But that and saying a struggle song is hate speech are two different things. For songs, the context is much more important than the words. Like Ringa Ringa Rosie. That's about the Black Plague. Also, Rockabye Baby. Do we ever concentrate on the words of that song? It's hectic. I mean, when the bow breaks, the cradle will fall, and down will come baby, cradle and all. Ah! And we sing that song to babies on a daily basis. And the babies, they're happy. Ah, I'm a fall. Ah, and die. Ah. You never know. In 1,000 years, we could be singing lullabies. Dubuli bunu dubula, dubuli bunu. And the baby's like, ah, prata. So based on this, it's diagnosis time. So basically, South Africa is suffering from a condition which is similar to family dysfunction and birth order theory. The police are acting like parents, where they try to get you not to do something by doing the same thing to you. Don't be violent! Some Afrikaner groups are acting like classic firstborns. You have all the attention, you get everything, then when new siblings come along, you think you're losing everything, but you're not. You're just needing to share a bit more. Steve Hofmeyer is acting like a middle child. He wants attention all the time. He's white, but he's always acting like he's the black sheep of the family.
I'm laissez-faire racist.
And Julius is a classic last-born, the juju baby, always noisy, causing a whole lot of crap, and others have to clean up after him. And the treatment for this is we need to get on the Dr. Phil show. Sort out our issues, man. Grow up, cry, hug. Needs to be done. We're a family. We need to learn to be sensitive to each other.